Hello there! In this edition of the Brickweb blog, we're going to talk about something that will revolutionize your print-on-demand business. Let me introduce you to the Brick Factory. What's the Brick Factory, you ask? Well, it's an online cloud portal and business automation solution created by the experts at Brick Technology. This cloud software allows you to easily create various unique, customizable products. And the best part, it's a complete solution, automating everything from ordering and processing to printing and drop shipping. But that's not all. The Brick Factory can be integrated with many other platforms, allowing you to bring in resellers from Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, TikTok, Shopify, WhatsApp, Squarespace, Etsy, and many more. So, who can benefit from the Brick Factory? It's been designed specifically for companies that create custom merchandise, including those in the print-on-demand, direct-to-garment, direct-to-film, embroidery, sublimation, engraving, and screen printing sectors. Whether you're already in this fast-growing business or investing in a new venture, the Brick Factory will be a game-changer for you and your customers' brands. Now, you must be wondering, how do you get started? It's easy. First, visit our dedicated page on the Brick website to learn more about the Brick Factory and explore its many features. Then, please look at some of our current clients growing their businesses using the Brick Factory. You'll find links on our website. Finally, get in touch with our team and book your free demonstration. Start your journey with the Brick Factory today. We can't wait to help you revolutionize your print-on-demand business.